everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be working on chiral centers, defining what they are, and solving a question that involves finding the number of chiral centers in a molecule. So let's take the general definition. If we check Merriam-Webster, they tell us that chiral center is an atom, okay, especially in an organic molecule that has 4 unique atoms or groups attached to it. So if you go back up here, M is just some random element. Okay, it could be carbon, it could be whatever, and it's attached to 4 different things, hence why it's A, B, C, D. That is the general idea of a chiral center. Now, if we want to go into more details, we can mention that a chiral center is a tetrahedral atom. So tetrahedral is the geometric shape of a molecule, and they have an angle of 109.5 degrees between each of the atoms / groups. And a chiral center, chiral atom, chirality center, or center of chirality, these are all different ways to say the same exact thing, right? It's a tetrahedral atom in a molecule bearing 4 different atoms or groups. And you can also consider lone pairs. So we can have a molecule like so. So A, B, C, and instead of D, it's just a lone pair of electrons, and it's still considered part of the chiral centers, right? So let's actually get to solving the question now. So yes, this is a requested question. You guys can always send your requests in the comment section. I will most likely see it and respond. If I don't, then just spam me and I'll get back to you. Okay, so question 29. Sorbitol is a naturally occurring compound with a sweet taste. It's often used as a substitute for sucrose by the food industry. So how many chiral centers are present in this molecule? Okay, so let's start with the elimination process. Like we said, it needs to be attached to 4 different things. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the start, check here the corners. This carbon is attached to 2 hydrogens. They're both the same exact thing, so it's not a chiral center. So that's the same for the one at the bottom. And what's left? These 4. So you'd think that your answer is B, which is correct. But let me explain it a little bit more. So if we take a closer look at this carbon and we place it here, we have a hydrogen. So we have a hydroxyl group attached to it. And then we have this CHHOH on one side, because we said it can be an atom or a group. And then we have this entire thing attached to it as well. C, and then all the H's and OH's. So that's 4 different things. That's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Right? So then that is correct. And you can do the exact same thing for all the other 4 that are in the center. Ooh, that is huge. Let me just... Okay. So you can do the exact same thing for all the other carbons. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So your final answer is B. So I hope this video helped clarify things for you guys. And if you'd like to see more short videos like these, just let me know in the comment section. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification, share it with a friend if they'll find it helpful. Give it a like if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.